Good morning. Hi, this is Travis from the National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Monday, October 21st. The high pressure that we've enjoyed will move to our east today, and we do have a weak cold front that's going to move through today into Tuesday with a couple more weaker systems later in the week. Again, the first one is today into Tuesday. Some breezy winds. I'll show you those winds in a minute. Gust up to 40 in some areas. With some light precip mainly across the central mountains, very light, hardly any, and then a little bit in the Island Park area, again, late tonight and Tuesday. And then Wednesday into Thursday, we have another weak cold front, breezy winds again, not as breezy with light precip, although this one, it looks like most areas will get 0.01 to a tenth somewhere in there, and maybe the Eastern Highlands will get slightly higher along the Wyoming border. We do have high pressure Friday into Saturday with another weak wave, although this has been changing a little bit Sunday into Monday. Looks like it could turn into an actual bigger pattern change away from this high pressure and perhaps a more active weather pattern long term, particularly over the Halloween holiday on the 31st. So here is some clouds ahead of this next cold front. Cold front's really just coming on the coast here. And again, this will reach us later tonight and go through tomorrow morning. Kind of braze the northern areas, but it will bring some breezy winds today. Not as much tomorrow morning, but by Tuesday afternoon does back off quite a bit as far as the winds. Again, most of the winds are this afternoon. Again, shows all the breezy winds and showers mainly for our northern areas. And then showers really late Wednesday, midnight-ish, somewhere in there, early Thursday morning. As far as the showers are concerned, it looks like most areas will get some type of showers. Currently, this is a big change from yesterday, so it could potentially change a little bit more, but breezy across the whole area, but again, not as breezy as today. I'll show you those winds and then high pressure Friday and Saturday. Here's our temperatures for this morning and afternoon. You can see near 70s for some areas. Again, with that southwest flow ahead of the cold front's going to be a little bit warmer, and then it'll drop off tomorrow. Here's our wind gust. The Arco Desert's the most, and then our northern areas across the Central Mountains and Montana Divide are the strongest winds. And here's our temperatures Tuesday. You see they do drop off, particularly for the highs. Lows still have a little bit of breezy for the system. Wednesday morning does look like it's much cooler, below freezing from a lot of the areas, and then we start to warm up a little bit as we have that high pressure build back in. Here's our max winds gust. Again, the high pressure won't be much for very long because we have another system late Wednesday into Thursday. Not as breezy currently, but those wind values could go up a little bit. And then here's your temperatures Thursday. You can see they drop near 60s, and then your lows as well. And then Friday, here's our, actually because it does come in late Wednesday into Thursday, so it is breezy on Thursday as well. But again, it's not near as breezy as today currently. Here's your Friday temperatures. You can see the highs start to creep back up, and expect them to go even a little bit higher as we go into Saturday. And then they'll drop back down as we go into Sunday and Monday with that other system. Here's our precip mounts. Overall, very light. We have a little bit of precip that's going to hit in our northern areas today, northern central mountains, as well as the Island Park. And then, like I said, that system on Wednesday, Thursday, most everyone will get 100th, at least right now in the forecast. So that's what you're seeing a little bit here as well in this 7-day accumulation. And then as you go into the 14-day outlook, October 28th through November 3rd, which includes October 31st, does look like we'll have above normal chances for above normal precip as we go into that period. And our temperatures do look to cool down as well, above normal chances for below normal temperatures. So again, just we have several little weak systems this week, particularly today into tomorrow. Mostly just breezy winds, very light precip in our northern areas. And then we have another system late Wednesday into Thursday, breezy winds with a little bit more widespread light precip, but it's still fairly light. High pressure Friday and Saturday for another week, wave Sunday to Monday. It looks like a potential pattern change, more active weather and cooler weather and better chances of precip as we move into the long term, particularly 2 weeks, the 8 to 14 day outlook. So that concludes the briefing. If you have any questions, give us a call at this number. Thanks.